Welcome to the podcast, everyone. Let's dive into the fascinating world of digital gold chains. Not jewelry, but rather cryptocurrencies that are stacking up like grandma's prized treasures as they shake up traditional finance.
I'm excited. Cryptocurrencies really rock, don't they? How do you see them comparing to traditional money?
Absolutely, they're a game changer. Traditional money, you see, is controlled by banks and governments, whereas digital currencies are
Yep.
decentralized. It's like having the power in your own hands without that middleman hassle.
So it's more peer-to-peer transactions and less waiting on banks, right?
Exactly. And that peer to peer nature not only speeds things up, but cuts down on transaction costs. You can
hmm
think of it as direct cash exchange, but um, on steroids with security and anonymity.
Speaking of security, how safe are these digital currencies really?
Great question. Cryptocurrencies use robust cryptography, meaning transactions are encrypted and super secure.
Right.
While no system is 100% foolproof, the blockchain behind them makes altering or tampering with data nearly impossible.
And that blockchain, it's like the digital ledger of truth.
Exactly. It's like every transaction is recorded in time. Once it's on the blockchain, it's permanent. It's like engraving on stone,
Yeah,
really ensuring transparency in the system.
fascinating. What about the evolution of these currencies? I mean, Bitcoin started it all, but there's so much more out there now, right?
Absolutely. Bitcoin is the pioneer, emerging in 2009 from a breakthrough white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto, setting off a crypto revolution.
hmm
And soon after, a diverse ecosystem of cryptocurrencies developed, each designed for specific purposes, like Ethereum with its smart contracts or Ripple for cross border payments.
Right, and each cryptocurrency brings its own flavor of innovation. But what really intrigues me is how blockchain technology powers everything.
Yes, blockchain is really the backbone here. It's a decentralized ledger which binds blocks of transactions together in, well, a chronological chain.
Yeah.
This structure not only fosters security, but also enables trust without a central authority.
So, in a way, blockchain and cryptocurrencies are setting the stage for a more open financial system.
Exactly. It's like the digital democratization of money, empowering even individuals in regions with limited banking
Right.
access. It makes financial inclusion not just a slogan, but a reality.
And when it comes to investing in this new digital gold, there are quite a few strategies outlined, right?
Yes, indeed. The content we're exploring dives into different approaches from long term hold strategies to short
True.
term trading. For instance, you have investors like Alice who hold for the long haul, capitalizing on patient growth, and then traders like Bob who exploit technical analysis and market fluctuations for quick profits.
That brings up risk management, doesn't it? Given the notorious volatility of crypto, how do investors shield themselves?
Spot on. Diversification is key. Spreading investments across various cryptocurrencies helps mitigate
hmm
risk, along with strategies like dollar cost averaging, setting stop loss orders, and blending long term and short term approaches to balance the overall exposure.
It sounds like crypto investing is both an art and a science.
Absolutely. And speaking of science, let's not forget about the digital wallets. Whether you opt for a hardware wallet for maximum security or a software wallet for daily transactions, managing your assets properly is
Right.
crucial. You really want to store those private keys as securely as you'd guard a family heirloom.
Law indeed. It's like locking your treasures in a digital vault.
Exactly. And the guidelines even recommend using two factor authentication and regularly updating your wallet software.
Yep.
That way, you're keeping potential hacks at bay.
There's also a lot to consider with choosing the right cryptocurrency exchange for your trades. What should one be looking for?
Oh, definitely. When picking an exchange, investors should focus on security measures, regulatory compliance, liquidity, and user experience. A well
hmm
established exchange not only ensures a safe trading environment, but also offers tools and customer support that really enhance the trading experience.
And I think there was a bit about conducting thorough research before any investment. That seems critical given how complex the market is.
Absolutely. It's crucial to do your due diligence, reading white papers, studying the technology, and
Right.
checking market trends. You want to know what you're investing in, whether it's a groundbreaking blockchain project or just another altcoin with hype.
I'm curious, how do you see the role of technical versus fundamental analysis playing out in crypto trading?
Great point. Both methods are pivotal. Technical analysis uses chart patterns, moving averages, and indicators to predict
Yeah,
price
exactly.
movements. Fundamental analysis, on the other hand, focuses on the underlying value, like the team behind a project, its white paper, and its roadmap. In practice, savvy traders often blend both to get a well rounded view.
That balanced perspective seems essential, especially when markets are so turbulent.
Precisely. And speaking of turbulence, managing tracking your portfolio effectively is another critical piece of the puzzle. Tools
Yeah.
like CoinMarketCap and TradingView help investors monitor real time data, while diversification strategies protect against sudden market dips.
So it's like a constant balancing act, being informed, protecting your assets, and staying agile.
Exactly. And it doesn't stop at just monitoring prices. There's also the need to understand the risks and adhere to best security practices, such as setting strong, unique passwords and safeguarding private keys.
Right.
Even something as seemingly small as a weak password can compromise your entire investment.
True, and I believe there was an entire section dedicated to tips against phishing and social engineering attacks, a reminder that the digital realm has its own set of dangers.
That's correct. Always verify senders, avoid suspicious links, and ensure your devices are
Yep.
secure. Just like in any ecosystem, being vigilant is your best defense.
Shifting gears a bit, the regulatory landscape around crypto is evolving rapidly. How do regulations play into all this?
Crucially, governments are still figuring out how to manage the decentralized nature
Right.
of crypto. There's a balance between enabling innovation and enforcing rules, like AML and KYC regulations, to prevent misuse. Compliance is key, whether you're trading or simply holding.
And along with regulations, tax implications come into play too, right?
Indeed, crypto transactions can trigger capital gains taxes, and activities like mining or staking are considered taxable
Mm,
income. It's recommended to keep detailed records of every transaction and perhaps even consult a tax professional to navigate the sometimes murky rules.
this certainly sounds like an ongoing learning journey. Do you think it's all worth it for the average investor?
Definitely, despite the risks, the potential to revolutionize finance and empower individuals is
Right.
enormous. With the right research, tools, and a prudent risk management strategy, crypto can be a transformative part of anyone's investment portfolio.
And those inspiring stories like Sarah, Tom, Maria, and John really show that success in crypto isn't just about luck. It's about informed decisions, perseverance, and smart strategy.
Absolutely. Their journeys highlight that whether you're a long term holder, a technical trader, or a risk averse investor, there's a place for you in
Mm,
the crypto landscape. It's about finding your niche and continuously learning.
truly inspiring. And as we look ahead, it seems crypto isn't just a financial tool, it's a movement that may empower millions worldwide.
Exactly. It's about embracing a future where financial independence and global inclusion go hand in hand.
Right.
The potential to revolutionize finance is real, and for those willing to learn and adapt, the opportunities are vast.
Well, that wraps up our deep dive into digital gold chains. Thanks for this insightful conversation. It's been a whirlwind tour through the world of crypto.
Thanks for joining in. Remember, stay curious, stay secure, and continue exploring. There's always more to learn in this evolving digital frontier.